All right, y'all. Hey YouTube, this is Rob again with Hoosierman HVAC, and today is more of a motivational thing. I'm out here sitting on the porch. You know, we got a screened-in porch. It's been raining like crazy out here today, here in Indiana, and this is more of a motivational of don't give up. You know, don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on your goals. You know, get everything out of the way that could be in your way of doing something. You know, like, and it comes down to a point where, you know, you try to you know, work for other people, do the right thing for other people, but at the end of the day, you got to do what's right for yours and your family. When it's all said and done, you know, you got to follow your path. You have to follow your dreams and your goals and all the above, and just continue to walk that path. You know, it's not going to be easy. You know, there's a transition period when you go from, you know, quitting that job and, you know, doing your own thing. That might take 2 weeks. That might take a month. You got to be ready for it, you know. But then you also gotta check your hustle. You know, check your hustle. If you ain't, you know, you ain't doing something because it's raining, or you ain't doing something because it's doing something, you know, it's not the best conditions. Well, at that point, it ain't never going to be the best conditions. It's always going to be the worst conditions for you. So just always remember to just follow what you want in your life. You know, if you want prosperity, you want more money, you want more time with your family, you want more anything, just know you got to go get that. You know, these jobs, not saying they don't care about you, but they ain't gonna care about you as much as you can care about you, or you or your family care about you. So just know that there's gonna be a transition period. There's gonna be a time where, you know, it feels like you're not doing anything, or whatever the case. And just, I mean, if you're literally not doing anything, then do something, you know. But if you're trying your best, you know, marketing doesn't happen overnight. You know, like, you can put all the flyers you want out in the world, you can put all the Google ads out there in the world, and it just won't be like that. It takes time. This stuff takes time. You know, when you think about all the $1 million companies that you've ever either worked for, or whatever the case, that didn't happen overnight. So if you're trying to create more in your life, and you trying to do more in your life, then just know that it's going to take time. It's going to take time. And with that time, you know, that it's going to take, just know that when you get there, you'll know it. You'll know it. Everybody else around you will know it too, but at the end of the day, it's not their job to know it. It's your job to know it. Now, if you have partners and all that stuff, then hopefully y'all already talked about all that and getting together. So this is really just a motivational video, and just continue to work at it. Just continue to go put yourself out there. People can't spend their money with you if they don't know you exist. So that's all I got today. Please like, subscribe, share, you know, all the above. Peace out, YouTube.